We are all packed for a road trip. Travel expert Jennifer Weatherhead Harrington is back with us. Okay, you've packed your vehicle.
Yeah, I have.
I'm just going to be right along.
Okay, good. But thankfully, I've also packed a really nice vehicle because we're going to talk about kind of upgrading your road trip a little bit first before we hit the road. So I've been driving around in this for a couple of days. This is the Buick Envision 2023, and it's really, really luxurious and so comfy, but they have a lot of really cool safety features that are perfect for those road trips. So, you know, think about you're driving along, you have the kids in the back, they're asking for snacks and that kind of thing. You might be a bit distracted, so they have lane assist, lane keep assist, so make sure that you stay in the right lane in case you get a little distracted, or maybe you're looking at all that beautiful scenery while you're driving around and you're kind of looking out the side window and you don't notice someone might be crossing in front of you. They have the front pedestrian braking, which is a really great feature. It slows you down or will stop you. And then of course they have the automatic emergency braking, which is key for when you're driving around those country roads. They're windy, everyone's a little. Yes, exactly. So lots of great things to keep you safe while you're on that road with this Buick.
Okay. Aaron, come with us. Everybody else, come with our viewers here. We're going to take to the back because, of course, packing for a road trip.
Yes, exactly. So first thing, I need road trip snacks. I don't know about you, but road trip snacks.
And no vegetables on a road trip. That's my rule.
No vegetables
ever on a road trip.
But you still need a cooler for all the other things that are non-vegetables. So I always like to make sure that I have a cooler packed in the car. I mean, I have this in the trunk right now, but this fits really easily into the back seat too, depending on how much stuff you have and how many people are with you. But look for a cooler that will keep things cold for a few days or keep ice for a few days, just in case there's an emergency or anything like that. Really great idea to have that. Again, you know, I love to travel light. I'm definitely a carry-on only person. But the other great thing I like to do with road trips is I actually prefer soft bags as opposed to just hard cases.
Right, because these are great for a plane.
Yeah, and they're great to put in a few things here, but then you want to make sure when you're packing your trunk that you can squeeze as much in there as possible. So look for things that are soft, that are squishy, that you can kind of tuck into little places, because you can't do that on a plane. In a car, you can hide things, right? So that's always a good thing to do. And then I do still like having my carry-on because then you can separate things. So you're not rooting through a big bag if you're looking for a certain item. Keep it in your carry-on. You'll be like, okay, I have all of my day essentials here. I'll have, like, you know, necessities like bug spray and that kind of stuff in another bag.
Okay.
Kind of
and then you've got some travel apps.
Yes. So there are definitely a few things. Gas Buddy is one of my favorite ones. It can help you find the best prices and the best places to get gas because
right around you wherever
exactly
you are.
So you don't have to panic if you're looking to get gas. Waze is also really great for all those traffic jams and everything. And then I also really like, if you need a hotel Tonight is a great app too. Last minute, great deals on there. So you're driving along, you're like, I just need a break. I need to rest a little bit. Look at Hotel Tonight, and then you can get a great deal there.
Right, because that is so important, right? Because driving tired is driving impaired.
Exactly. You need to make sure that that's like one of the biggest safety things, aside from safety things with the vehicle, making sure that you,
keep your hat.
Keep your hat somewhere better than that. No, you want to make sure that you're you're alert and you're awake, and you want to make sure that you're feeling great, because that's probably the most important thing when you're driving.
Okay. Any tips as well for motion sickness in the car?
Oh my gosh, yes, of course. My husband suffers from this more than I do. There are lots of great over-the-counter medications that you can take, of course, but then my secret is just let him do the driving.
That's what your mind is focused on, and drive safe.
Not so great for kids, but you can do lots of stops and make sure that you can have some time to like rehydrate, get them readjusted, and that kind of thing too.
Get that fresh air.
Yeah.
Okay, Jennifer, I believe we are ready to pack up. Okay, we will say goodbye from Morning Live for this morning. We will get all of your tips and your social media up on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Happy travels.